Welcome to Wellness Wander. Today's focus is a Pilates arm sculpt. You can just use your arms. You don't need equipment. You can use two light weights like I have right here. You can also use wrist weights if you have that at home. Regardless, it will still work even if you have nothing. This burns. We're gonna get started with a little warm up and then we'll get into our quick arm sculpt. Let's go into circles. Nice big circles just to energize and wake up those arms. And go back. And then from there, we're gonna reach to the side. I know you can't see from here, but I'm currently in Mexico and there's the most beautiful butterfly. I can't stop staring at it. Wow. You got 3, 2, and 1. Let's go into a little bit of a spinal rotation. For 5, for 4, for 3, 2, and 1. From here, we're gonna squat down. Nice big reach to lengthen out the abdominals. I know you're like, Karina, why are you doing legs? It's not leg day. Just a little quick activation. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna grab my weights. I'm gonna start with the weights and then I'll do just my arms. Okay, first move today. We're gonna start here. You're gonna bring your palms in, so I'll show you from the side, and then you're gonna turn them out and press up. So just like that. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. So focusing on the shoulders, the biceps. Good job, you're killing it. Let's alternate in 3, 2, and 1. So go right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's go into biceps now. You're gonna go into an alternating curl. So firing up the front of those arms, so biceps. Good. We're gonna do this for the next 20 seconds, and then we're gonna do a little isometric hold to really feel the burn. In 3, 2, and 1. Right here, let's go into these taps. So try to keep your elbows nice and close to your body, so you're not out here, right? So you really got that biceps under control, and then from here, we're gonna go out and punch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. From there, we're gonna go into triceps now. What you're gonna do is bend over and do an alternating tricep extension. So squeeze that up, so back of the arm at the top. Make sure your neck is nice and neutral. We're gonna go at the same time, so both arms together in 3, 2, and 1. Full extension. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. We're gonna do back and chest, and then we'll drop the weights. From here, you're gonna go into alternating forward fly. So get into the chest. Keep your ribs down, right? So I'm not sitting here and just flailing my arms around. Everything is in control. So I'm engaging my entire body. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do back now. So you're gonna bend over. You're gonna keep a nice neutral neck, and you're gonna go into these rows. So drive your elbows back, nice neutral neck. Stabilize your core. Squeeze those shoulder blades together, sculpting the back muscles here, which also you'll feel in the triceps. We got 10 more seconds, and then you're gonna hold and pulse. 4, 3, 2, let's hold it up and pulse. Nice and high. Then we get to drop the weight. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, my arms, I'm feeling the burn. Now, we're just going to use our body weight, and this is such a burner. Promise, if you have wrist weights, I would recommend you start with them, but you probably have to take them off because it burns so much. So bring your arms up, turn your palms up, ribs down. We're gonna start to pulse. We're here for the next about 3-4 minutes. I'm not dropping these arms down. People in the audience, you should try this. Go. Do it with me. And if you're wondering who the people in the audience are, it's the Wellness Wander crew. You'll see them on our page a lot. Let's go a little high. Hey, get those arms up higher. I'm talking to you on the camera. I see you. All right, turn the palms down and pulse. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Good. And now forward. Good. And now back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your hands up. Don't drop them. Right side, left side, right side, left side, right, left, right, left. For 5, 4, 3, 2. Back to the top. Don't drop those arms. Pulse it up. Woo! My arms are burning. Bring it down. Oh, baby. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Forward. Take it back. Whew. Bring it up. Alternate. Oh, I know. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last round. I said it 3 times, and then you're done this workout. Palms down. Ooh, forward. Don't drop, you got this. Home stretch. And back. Last 20 seconds, go. Right, left, right, left. Together for the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and ooh, my arms. Let's shake it out. Ooh, burning, baby. I really felt that. See, you don't need much weight to get such a great arm sculpt and burn. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to like this video, comment below, leave us some love, and subscribe to our channels. See you next time.
Welcome to our Mexico series. Escape with us to the beautiful Pacific coast. Together we will sweat, stretch, and reset. It's a beautiful day to take time for yourself.